Good morning, Junior 2. Today we have lesson 4, which is called electricity. Electricity. Junior 2, now I will ask you, in our home, we all have televisions. Yes or no? Yes. How can the televisions work? How can the televisions work? Televisions need something, it's called electricity to work. Okay? So, now I will talk about that things that need electricity to work in our home. Like what, Junior 2? Number 1, television. Television. Television needs electricity to work. Number 2, what is this? Washing machine. Washing machine. Also, washing machine needs electricity to work. Okay? So, number 1, television. Number 2, washing machine. Number 1, television. Number 2, washing machine. Number 3, heater. 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 When the weather is cold, we use the heater. Yes or no? Yes. And also heater needs electricity to work. So, number 3, heater. Heater. Number 1, television. Number 2, washing machine. Number 3, heater. Number 4, refrigerator. 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 Also, refrigerator needs electricity to work. Refrigerator. Okay? So, we have things need electricity to work in our home. Like what, Junior 2? Television, washing machine, heater, refrigerator. Refrigerator. Number 4, computer. Computer. Look at the picture. We need electricity to make the computer work. Okay? Number 5, computer. Computer. So, we have things need electricity to work in our home. Like what? Television, washing machine, heater, refrigerator, and computer. Super, Junior 2. After that, we will talk about how to conserve electricity, Junior 2. How can conserve electricity? We said electricity is very important, so we need to conserve it or to save it. How can you conserve electricity, Junior 2? During morning, you should turn off lights. During morning, you should turn off lights, okay? So, how can you conserve electricity? Number 1, turn off lights during morning. Turn off lights during morning. Turn off lights during morning. Super. Number 2. What is this, Junior 2? This called saving light bulbs. Saving light bulbs. When we use this type of bulb, we conserve electricity, okay? So, you should use saving light bulb to conserve electricity. So, number 2, use saving light bulbs. Use saving light bulbs. Use saving light bulbs. But number 1, cause turn off light during morning. Turn off light during morning. Number 2, use saving light bulbs. Use saving light bulbs. Number 3, when you aren't in the room, you should, Junior 2, turn off the TV. When you aren't in the room, you should turn off the TV, okay? Don't make the TV on when you aren't in the room, okay? It's wrong. When you aren't in the room, you should turn off the TV. So, how can Junior 2 conserve electricity? Number 1, turn off lights during morning. Turn off light during morning. Number 2, use saving light bulbs. Use saving light bulbs. Number 3, turn off TV when you aren't in the room. Turn off TV when you aren't in the room, okay? Number 4, you should, Junior 2, use fan. What is this? It's called fan. You should, Junior 2, use fan instead of air conditioner. Okay? If we have fan and air conditioner, to conserve electricity, you should use fan. Okay? Not use air conditioner. Okay? So, number 4, use fans instead of air conditioners. Use fans instead of air conditioners. Use fans instead of air conditioners. Number 4, Junior 2, when you sit in the living room, you should turn the lights on only. Okay? Turn on the light of living room only. Okay? So, don't keep all lights turned on in your home, Junior 2. It's very wrong. To conserve electricity, you should. Don't keep all lights turned on. Don't keep all lights turned on. You should turn on the light of room that we set only. Okay? So, now I will make a revision. Let's start from beginning. We have things that need electricity to work in our home. Like what, Junior 2? Television, washing machine, heater, refrigerator, computer. Okay? Say again. Television, washing machine, heater, refrigerator, computer. Super. After that, we will talk about how to conserve electricity. Junior 2, how can you conserve electricity? Number 1, turn off lights during morning. Turn off lights during morning. Turn off lights during morning. Number 2, use saving light bulbs. Use saving light bulbs like this, Junior 2. Okay? This called saving light bulbs. Number 3, turn off TV when you aren't in the room. Turn off TV when you aren't in the room. Number 4, use fans instead of air conditioners. Use fans instead of air conditioners to save electricity. Number 4, use fans instead of air conditioners to save electricity. You should use fans instead of air conditioner. Okay, Junior 2? Number 5, don't keep all lights turned on in your home. Don't keep all lights turned on in your home. Okay? Now we will solve exercise in the main booklet. Put right if the tool needs electricity to work, and put wrong if it doesn't need electricity to work. Okay? Number 1, television. Needs electricity or doesn't need? Yes, need electricity to work. So, put right. Number 2, stapler. Stapler needs electricity to work or doesn't need? Doesn't need electricity. So, put wrong. Number 3, heater. Needs electricity or doesn't need? Yes, need electricity. Put right. Water tap. Needs electricity to work or doesn't need? No, doesn't need electricity. So, put wrong. Put wrong. Number 5, washing machine. Washing machine needs electricity or no? Yes, put right. Super, Junior 2. Thank you. We have homework. Weekend sheet number 4.